Tailored for drivers with limited movement in the legs and feet, our floor-mounted hand controls allow for easy and controlled electronic acceleration, while braking remains manual. Floor-mounted hand controls are located next to a car's centre console rather than mounted to the steering column. This allows for steering wheel adjustment. The electronic accelerator provides a fatigue-free driving experience, a marked improvement over a mechanical pull accelerator. The controls can be turned on or off, allowing acceleration to be returned to the pedals if required. This elegant design allows for light and responsive control of the throttle. It is ideal for those driving regularly, especially for work or over long distances. Electronic hand controls are best paired with a steering aid, such as a quick detach steering ball or even a remote control, to give you easy access to various vehicle functions such as indicators, wipers and lights. For more information about electronic hand controls, driving aids and other vehicle adaptations, speak to one of our experts by web chat, online inquiry or by phone. Vehicle Adaptations, enabling independence. Mobility in motion.